Hey guys, today I wanted to break down this project. The project is an old factory from the Soviet period, and, of course, it will include various models from that era. These are old machines, various racks, electrical panels, tables, workbenches, and much more. There are 206 models in this project. All models are optimized and have good high-quality textures. This project can be used as a ready-made location, or you can assemble the location yourself from modular blocks. You can choose the size of the module, adjust the height, length, width, and create your own location as you like. This ready-made location is divided into several rooms. The main room is the workshop, where the factory machines and many other models are located. And there are two rooms that also house different optimized models. At the back of the building, we will see a staircase that leads to the roof. This location is well optimized due to the fact that all the models that were created for this location, they are maximally optimized and have high-quality textures. Each model has a low number of polygons, which makes it possible for you to use any models from this project in your future games. Let's take a look at what goes into this project. If we open the mesh folder, notice that there are several folders inside that contain different objects. Each folder has a name to make it easier for you. In each folder, you'll find an item you want to use. For example, if you need machines, you can go to the Factory Machines folder and select the model you need there. Let's take a closer look at some of the models. For example, these machines. Here you will see that the machines are well optimized. They have low triangulation and have high quality textures. You can check other models as well and make sure that they are all optimized and have a small amount of triangulation. As I said earlier, you can assemble the building as you see fit. You can assemble a unique building just for your project. All modular units are well adapted and fit together. You can also add different models to your project yourself. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact me, write to me. I will always be happy to answer you.